This is my neighbor's 2001 York Central Air Conditioner. Don't know how many tons it is. It's running on a pretty nice day actually. Got a little storm this morning. I think it's like in the 60s right now, maybe the 70s. I'd say the 70s actually. Low 70s. And this house is 2 stories. I don't know how many, I don't know how much square feet it is. I think I've been inside the house before. I think it has, let's see, it has got 3 bedrooms, like mine, and my mom's trying to fix the screen. So I'd say maybe a 4.5 ton would be good size for this house. The line set, it's got a filter dryer. It's getting cold and sweaty. The model number is H3RA060S06A. Serial number is WKKM04306. Again, it's from 2001. I'd say maybe it's about a 9 or 10 SEER. Has an A.O. Smith fan motor. I'm not going to go up too close to it because my neighbors are quite grouchy. This is about as close as I'm going to get to it right here. We're just going to film until it shuts off, I think. Mine are running, but you guys have seen, or one of mine is running, but you guys have seen them too much, so. I've seen nicer units. This type of York is not what I typically pick it is not quite what I typically pick. If you're gonna pick a York, I get an Affinity or yeah, something like that. As you can tell, the fan grill is pretty rusted up, and then the top here has got some rust on it. The fan grill is kind of dented. Coil's in pretty good shape. Could use a cleaning. I would clean them out. I would clean it out for them, but I just think that if I did, I think if I tried to be nice like that, then they'd come and yell at me. So, I'm not going to clean it out for them. I'll just let it be dirty. But again, if they weren't so grouchy, I might clean it up for them. there's the disconnect box, which is open. So I'm not gonna mess with that. A little bit of damage right there. Oh, here's a little dent in the condenser guard here. Never noticed that before. But it's probably just, a lot of this is probably from their naughty son, which just moved out today. Or who just moved out today with his mom. I'm sure some of the damage on mine is from him too. I wouldn't be surprised. One time, oh, there it goes, shut off. One time I can swear I saw that kid pee on my central air conditioners. And there is the compressor. That is, I think it's a rotary, or maybe I think it might be a reciprocating actually. I don't know what kind of compressor it has, but it's a okay unit. It's been holding up for a while. Don't know if it's going to go out this summer. I'm hoping it will, but if it does, I'll definitely film the new unit. So, that's it.